Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investments. Tuesday, November the 30th, as expected, following Thanksgiving holiday weekend, we've got a plethora of news that's come out yesterday, today, 3 more press releases for you. Let me get straight to them. First off, China Finance Online, JRJC on the NASDAQ. They announced their third quarter and 9-month numbers. I'm going to give a smattering of highlights from both because I think it's important. Let's take a look at their third quarter first. Registered user accounts have increased to 18.5 million. That's up about 40% since last year. Active paid subscribers, just under 145,000. That's up 29%. You like to see that, and that's translating to bottom line. Net income for the quarter, $1.4 million. That compares to a loss of $1 million for the same quarter last year. Great turnaround there. On the top end, they grew revenues by 16.4% so far in the first 9 months. Total revenue, $44.9 million. So you got a company that's trending higher on the top line and definitely trending higher on the bottom line. Great news out of the company. Closed yesterday $794, $910 on the 52-week high, $620 on the 52-week low. Next up, HQ Global Education trades on the OTC under HQGE. They announced their full year fiscal 2010 numbers. The company says that they control and operate 10 vocational schools in China, and they're leading provider of customized or order-oriented vocational education. Here are the highlights. Revenues up 30% to $47.1 million. Net income up 27% to just over $13.5 million. Here's the number I really like. Earnings per diluted share, 49 cents. Now, that is down 3 cents from last year's 52 cents, so they're down about 6% there. However, at 49 cents, considering the fact that it closed yesterday at 4.15, you got a company that's trading at less than 9 times earnings. Great growth prospects. They're growing revenues by 30%, net income by 27%, so that may be some good value there. Take a look. Their 52-week high, $6. Their 52-week low, $3.65. And finally, China Sun Group High Tech trades on the OTC CSGH. They announced that they signed a contract to ship 470 tons of lithium iron phosphate to Asahi New Energy. The company, China Sun Group, is a vertically integrated supplier of raw materials for the rechargeable lithium-ion battery space in China. And you've got to like the rechargeable lithium-ion battery space. It's got nowhere to go but up, especially in a place like China. So unless new technology comes along, you've got to ride lithium-ion battery rechargeables. And this company is definitely delivering. They're going to deliver minimum 407 tons of lithium iron phosphate to Asahi New Energy throughout 2011. So it's all going to take place next year. That's great to see. They got to schedule the deliveries. I'm more concerned about the big number that they're doing all in 2011. Company closed yesterday $1.08, 52-week high $2.35, 52-week low 60 cents. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 3 great press releases from about 250 of what we believe to be the best small and mid-cap companies trading, Chinese companies trading on North American exchanges. If you want to discover more of these companies, get stuff to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. Watch the show. Read the best headlines that we've come out over the past few days. We've separated those by industry to make it easy for you. And finally, get into the directory. Read up on all 250 or so of those great companies that we're following. Great summary descriptions of each. But more importantly, you can filter that list by industry and or exchange, so you can quickly filter that down to a more manageable list that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.